Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a first move traverse. Now, a first move traverse is one of those moves that would take up huge amounts of space. It can be done in a straight line, a relatively straight line. We're going to be doing it in a curve, which means you need a little bit more control because that's how much space we've got. So if you've got a big floor, then you can be doing this in a straight line. It's going to be easier to do. I heartily recommend you learn a sway traverse first, because I think the sway traverse is probably the easiest of all the traverses. I'll put a link to that in the description below, and I'll put a link to some clips for leading footwork and obviously a first move as well, just to make sure everything you might need to put this together is easily found. Okay, so first off, we'll show you the move. How long you do it for is up to you. We're actually going to do it just to make a loop back to where we started. So it goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the principle of a traverse is that you do a couple of steps forwards. So imagine I want to travel in that direction. I do an angle across them and I go walk, and then I turn and do 2 walks backwards, and again across the angle of the where I'm going. So it's like you're tacking across the line you want to go. Forward, forward, back, back. So forward, forward, back, back, forward, forward, back, back. In a sway version or a basket version, the lady's doing the same as the guy. You both go forward together, you both go back together. In the first move version, you're actually doing it when the guy's going forwards, the lady's going back, and vice versa. So let's break it down and see how we do. In fact, I'll do just the very first bit from here, so you can kind of see it going across. So you'd get forward, forward for the guy, rotate, back, back for the guy, obviously opposite for the lady, rotate, forward, forward, rotate, back, back. As you can see, we run out of room pretty quick. So now let's break it down as we did it in the demo. So we go back, normal first move, inside by side. Now imagine that's the line we're going to head off on. We need to already set our angle up, so I'm going to do a little twist. So I'm looking out to the right, Karen's looking over my shoulder, and I start with my right going backwards, and I'm going to bring Karen forwards with her left. So we go walk, walk. That sets us up. We're now just changing direction to head off into our loop. So we're going to go from the guy's point of view. So when I say forward, ladies, that's going to be back for you and vice versa. So we go forward, forward, rotate to the right, and then we go back, back, rotate to the left, forward, forward, rotate to the right. And how much you rotate tells you what direction you're going to head, so it makes it easier, so you can work out where you're going to need your space. Back, back. Now I'm going to rotate a little bit, but not as much as before, and I'm going to come around Karen a little bit so I can head off along and go forward, forward. So I was doing a little bit of shaping there. Twist to the right, back, back, heading back to roughly where we were. We go forward, forward, and I'm actually doing a transition and twist out all in one. Boom. Let's just finish the first move off. Let's talk numbers for the same thing. So we go back. 1, in, 2. When we're doing our walks, we're taking 2 steps per count. So this little setup to start with goes back, back for the guys. That's count 3. So we go forwards, 4, back, 5, forwards, 6, back, 7, forwards, 8, back, 1, forwards, 2, twist out 3, in 4, turning 5, facing 6, returning 7, and back 8. So you know the timing, you know the steps, probably want to do a little bit of practice, so there is nothing wrong with rewinding the video and jumping to an earlier point and going over it a few times. I'd probably recommend it today. So for anyone who's actually ready to go, I'll call it now. Here we go. 5, 6, our first move, traverse. We go a back, in, back, forwards, back, forwards, back, forwards, back, forwards, twist, twist, turn, face, return, and back. That's it. If you made it to the end, well done. It's not an easy move, that one. It takes a little bit of practice, but if you do struggle with it, do perfect the sway version first, because I think the sway version is genuinely easier. Thank you for making it all the way to the end of the video. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move. Subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell is just there so that if you want to, you'll get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end comes up in the windows in the last few seconds of the video. One of them will be a link to a music video, and it will be a song that will be good to practice this too. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.